Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews as well as Quirk Automotive. Today we have the 2020 Ram 1500 Rebel. This thing is really cool. I've had a lot of fun driving it just to get here. Nice Rebel graphics on the side. Sticker price of $56,210. Stay. Bright white clear coat, black and red interior. For 2019, the Ram 1500 got a whole refresh. And it looks killer. Climb on in, grab that, hoist yourself up. This is of course powered by the 5.7 liter Hemi engine. But this interior is phenomenal. It says Rebel here on the seats. Really cool. Oh, well, there's the key for it. Really nice Ram key. They have a lot of heft to them. It's really cool. Okay, it is this one. Good. I wanted to make sure it wasn't just another Ram key. Tons of nice little storage compartments. I love the red accents throughout. Looks absolutely gorgeous. They've definitely improved that. In our household, we have a 2017 Ram Rebel. And it just feels really clunky. This feels excellent. Really refined. Really nice. But yeah, without further ado, let's take her for a ride. Definitely has a lot of road presence. Very distinctive. You know exactly what it is when you see it. Definitely, on the lot next to a bunch of other 1500s, it definitely stands out. The Rebel is kind of our off-road package, almost like a Raptor fighter. It's pretty cool. The power is phenomenal in here. The 5.7, if I remember correctly, produces 375 horsepower. Plenty for a truck like this. All of your switch gear in here and all of your touch points and everything, it's absolutely phenomenal. They've definitely stepped up their game from the previous generation to this one. Everything in here is much higher class than it was before. Even the steering wheel feels a lot nicer. It's a beautiful truck. Also available is a 12-inch touchscreen. If I have time today, I'll take a look at one with that. But it's like a Tesla. It's insane, and it really sets off the cabin of this truck. And it sounds phenomenal too. Such an awesome truck. Overall ride comfort, it's really actually pretty quiet in here, even with these beefy off-road tires. These seats feel phenomenal. I could go all day in these things. These FCA has definitely produced some really great seats for this Rebel. I love the hood bulge that was added for the 2019 refresh. Even this leather feels fun. Just a really high class truck. Ride feels great over these bumps. I can definitely tell the traffic's starting to pick up. It's a little before 12 o'clock and it's getting pretty hectic out here. Even sitting in traffic, it's daily drivable. Just an excellent truck. I'll get into the power as we merge onto Route 139 and then I'll wrap it up. It's a nice Mustang. Wow. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. I will see you all in the next one.